In CSS3, there is a new feature of setting multiple background images for the same element. Assume you have a box and you have multiple image files. You can set multiple image files by using background property here. First, you can right-click background and then specify the first image file path, and then another URL specify the another background image. For each background image, you can specify the position and repeat, either repeat or no repeat, or repeat X or repeat Y. That means you can actually see multiple background images for the same element at various corners. For example, at top left corner one image, at bottom right corner another image. In the codes project, let's try to apply multiple background images for the state div tags. So this is the first image and this is the second image. That is at the top left corner of the element and bottom right corner of the same element. Actually, if you have a look at the C:\web folder, under the images folder, we have two files, that is place.png as well as sample.png. This is the place.png file, and also we have sample.png file. I wish to display both of these images in various corners of the same element, as I have shown you earlier. Let's try it. Here I am specifying the background clip as border box because I wish to apply the background image which includes border, and then add background but not background-image. Here you compose your files. One is under images folder, place.png, and another file is sample.png. Like this, you can add more than one image. Not only two, you can write more than two files also with comma separated format. Here // represents current working folder, that is C:\web, where this particular state.html file is present. And in the same folder, we have a subfolder called images, and in the subfolder we have the file called place.png. As of now, the output is, you can see only one image appears because of repeat. But I wish to show both images, right? In order to do so, let's avoid the repetition by adding no repeat. Even for the second image also. So both images are no repeat in this case. So the background image is not repeating, but visually you can see only one image because the second one is backside of the first one. So we need to change the position of the second image. It should be displayed at a different corner. Let's try to increase the width and height of the state. For example, let this be 170 pixels. And let's add something called left and top, which means that this particular image file, that is place.png, should be applied or should be displayed on the left corner and top corner vertically, horizontally left side and vertically top side. Similarly, the second image, that is sample.png, should be applied bottom right, so horizontally right and vertically bottom. Oops, the path should be images/. Right. Let's verify. As you can see, the sample.png file is at the bottom right corner and the place.png is at the top left corner for all the div tags. This is how do you apply multiple background images for the same element. Simply you can specify URL, comma another URL. After the URL, you will write position of the background image, whether top left or center or middle center, etc. And then specify the repeat property, that is no repeat or repeat X or repeat Y, whatever we have learned in the background repeat property. So this is a mix of multiple images, and this is considered as background image, and this is taken as background position, and this is taken as background repeat. And since we are mentioning multiple values, that is background image, and then background position, and then background repeat, we have to just write background but not background-image. This is how to work with multiple background images.